Sir! Sir, I need your help. I have a problem. Do you remember I proposed to Tanya?
Yeah, why?
Sir, she has asked for 2 things before getting married.
She agreed?
Yes. Number 1 is financial report. Number 2 is health report. Now, thanks to you, financials to sorted hai, but health is not that
But
good.
you look healthy, you look fine.
I am not. Okay, I spoke to Bratish, okay? He gave me this Excel. I have to spend a minimum of 25,000 on my health. So, can you just raise my salary?
No, not at all. एक काम करते हैं. We'll spend 5 minutes. I'll fix your troubles of this 25,000. I'll reduce the budget.
In case if you lose, so I'll get 30,000 ka increment, 25,000 plus 5,000 penalty.
Whatever. You'll lose, whatever. Show me the Excel sheet. So, by the way, how did you reach this 25,000 figure?
It's in the Excel, na? Wait. You see this? Daily diet and groceries, gym, trainer, protein powder, creatine, pre-workout, travel cost, and I'm sure some subscription and trackers as well. You see this number? It says 25,000.
Before we actually bring down the cost, let's define what does healthy mean.
Hey, 6-pack abs, Pilates studio, kaun si ring hoti hai wo? And then the expensive that band, health fitness band. And then I need to get those special shoes, you know.
I don't think you and I can decide what health means. That's your Instagram definition of it. Maybe we should talk to an expert.
People have really complicated the idea of a healthy lifestyle these days. I think a healthy lifestyle simply means that your energy, your sleep, your digestion, your mood cannot be fighting against you. Bare minimum is just 3 things. You must sleep 7 to 8 hours every day. Try and get some form of movement every day, and if at all that's not happening, then walk at least 5 to 10k steps every day, and every meal must have fiber and protein. Healthy living is honestly a simple formula. 20% is activity or movement or exercise, and 80% is having a healthy diet.
Arey sir, but I'm having home cooked meals. मैं 2 कटोरी दाल खाता हूँ. I think it's healthy enough.
No, actually this is a misconception. Even I know this a little bit, that dal actually has more carbs than protein. It's not in the right ratio. We don't intake enough protein. Even the ICMR says 0.8 grams per kilograms. And my trainer isn't happy with that also. He says 1.5 to 2x of my body weight I need to consume, and I try. That's 100 grams to 140 grams daily. So,
agreed, sir. This is the only protein I can afford right now.
Disgusting! Which brings me to the first solution, anti-gas syndrome.
What syndrome?
I'm not making this up. There's actually scientific logic behind this. It's called gear acquisition syndrome. Look at this. Basically, it's the compulsive urge to purchase new equipment and other things by musicians, because they think when they purchase these things, their musical ability or their creativity will actually improve.
It's about my health. I'm not a musician.
Correct. So the same thing actually exists for fitness freaks as well, who have not really become fitness freaks yet. So they will get expensive bands, like you said. They'll buy shoes, they'll buy all this equipment, and actually not just do even 15 minutes of working out. So this actually creates a dopamine inside your brain. You actually buy all of these things in anticipation of going to the gym eventually, and you waste a lot of money.
So what should I do?
Basically, don't focus on buying all this gear. Just go to the frickin' gym. If you're unsure about this, your job is to find something you enjoy. So what do you like to do?
Gymming.
Okay, so you want to go to the gym?
Yes.
You enjoy it?
Yes.
The biggest risk in a gym is that they will ask you to pay for 1 year upfront because it's cheaper. And because of this, at some point, you will quit the gym.
I don't want to quit now. I want to join.
Correct. But ask your friends, ask the people around you, how many people paid for a year? Look at Vandit and that entire group in the office. They paid for a year, went for 1 or 2 months, and then quit, or they put their membership on pause.
मुझे क्यों तोड़ा?
This is not just a local thing. This happens across the country, across the world, which is why they give you a discount on the yearly membership. This Deloitte paper actually proves it. If this is the biggest risk, find an average gym right now, take a short-term plan,
It's not that expensive.
which is not expensive, and get into the habit of going to the gym every day. Or you can just do home workout for 3 months.
So now let's reduce the gym cost, the trainer cost, subscription and travel.
Once you're doing it very regularly, then you can invest in a good gym and maybe even pay for 12 months.
I think I didn't save enough. if I edit
There are
it
also a
here-
bunch of other hacks right here. If some of them are useful, you can try them out.
Sir, I think नहीं हुआ है.
अभिषेक कौन है?
Hi, मैं.
आपका बाबू.
Thank you.
ये क्या है?
मेरा lunch है. Hungry.
What is this?
So, give me just 5 minutes.
यही तो problem है. All of us order all this food from outside, which is bad for our health and it's expensive, and we want to be healthy. It makes no sense. So the ICMR has taken out a nourished diet. Something to nourish a human body, and we looked at that and found out it's roughly 150 rupees to 200 rupees per day. So we use that as a template, and that's about 5 to 6,000 rupees a month. Let's make it 7,000 rupees. Add one more 1,000 rupees. But actually, this 7,000 rupees a month ka diet can change a lot depending whether you're staying at home or outside, whether you cook yourself or there's a tiffin that you get, whether you're ordering from certain places, your food preferences. You could be vegan, you could be hardcore non-vegetarian, you could be vegetarian, and because of this, the variability on the food comes a lot. But the point is this, whether you're spending 7,000 or 10,000, you need to make sure that healthy food is going in.
So the thing is that a healthy diet might not always take care of your micronutrients. That is where supplements come in place and quietly save your life. The best way is to get a blood work done. The blood work will tell you exactly what all deficiencies you have, and then go to a physician. And this is important because the physician will tell you how and when to take it. Let's say I'm calcium deficient and I don't have to take it every day. He will tell me that take this for a month, but take it alternate days. Vegans majorly need omega-3 and B12 because their diet cannot take care of that. So understand your body's deficiencies and build your diet accordingly. And if you want to know how much it actually costs,
Take your diet, map it actually, see how you can make it healthier. I'm not saying cheaper, healthier, and see what that budget comes to. In this case, I have changed it to 7,000 rupees for him.
बेटा, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
अरे sir, but I don't order food that much. इतना बाहर से.
You
ना.
don't order from outside?
I just ordered आज lunch. Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Pakka?
अरे 100%. क्या कर रहे हो?
ये क्या है?
Well, it's a number.
What is this? This is a
90,000.
Chrome extension. You'll find a lot of them online where you can actually calculate all of your year's expense on all these apps as one number. Kitna hai? Read it. Read it.
Oh, it's food. 90,000.
That's almost 8,000 rupees per month. Per month.
नहीं, I think
So you've been
something is-
lying to me.
No, something is wrong with the number. I'm not ordering that
The UI
much.
is so slick and beautiful, and bhook is always so high that you don't realize how much you spent.
This is something is wrong.
So this is how much you actually spend. Now see, you can't make this 8,000 rupees and make it zero. You will order online. It's natural. But you should reduce this. Let's try to reduce it to 4,000, and that's how much we've saved. Cool?
I can still order food from outside.
You can, but just bring it down a little bit. By the way, can you take this extension, go around the office and ask unka kya expense tha, so we can compare how much is this office actually spending on this.
Hello.
For the entire year.
Yearly expense.
Around.
अब इनके आसपास है यार.
Yearly expense.
So basically, we have saved 4,000.
Yes, you've saved 4,000.
Now I'll invest this in SIPs, bonds ही बोलने वाले होगे ना आप, है ना? And compounding के बाद the number will go up, and that's how my number will go down.
No,
अरे
not at all. If you have to choose between health and SIPs or any form of investments, you always choose health.
Sorry?
Health.
of health.
No,
SIP
you
of health.
always choose health. सच्ची बात है? So you were spending 8,000 rupees a month. We'll reduce this 8,000 to 4,000.
So what will I do with it? I can increase my healthy diet.
Yeah, so you will reallocate that saved money into a healthier plan, healthier diet, because if you're eating healthy, you will order from outside, hopefully a little less. Fair, no? And apart from this, we know we all have some vices. Some people have alcohol, it might be smoking or eating junk food when your stress or cravings hit. Try to reduce this too. I really want you to think about this very carefully. If you get ill less in the future, a world of possibility opens up. you're healthier, you can think clearer, you can earn more, you can improve your skills, you can do all this investing stuff, you can watch more 01 videos. You can be a little bit like Abhishek. Everything is not an immediate ROI. Just like investing, health is also the same thing. And with this, I think I won the bet and you take lesser leaves and finish the project. Right?
So you are very clever, sir.
Nearly expense 1,10,000.